In this video, I will show you how you can enable always on display on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just go to the home screen and open settings. Now under settings, just scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD. Now over here, you will find the option for always on display. Now to enable always on display on your Samsung phone, just enable this toggle. And after you do that, you will enable always on display on your Samsung device. Just like that. If you want to customize your always on display even more, then just go back to the settings and tap on always on display. And over here, you will find more options to customize the always on display. For example, you can show the lock screen wallpaper on your always on display. You can either disable this option to save the battery life, or you can enable this option. Also, you have the option to show the now bar in always on display. And also, you have the option to select when you want to show the always on display. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.